What's going on, guys? No, I haven't made a video in a while, but we've been making a whole bunch of changes on this car and we're finally back out at mission. What we did is when we first did the exhaust manifolds, the Titan headers, the shop that did it, they accidentally forgot one of my requests. So there's an access port. I'm gonna put it up on the screen right here. But basically, one of the primaries was rubbing on an access port on the block. Now the access port on the block is actually not necessary. It's only used in assembly. So I told the shop to grind it down and get it taken off, re-welded. And you know, I know that we've made a couple passes before, and I noticed that the timing, it seemed like it was okay, but it was always something in the back of my mind where it's just a possibility, right? The vibration going through the block could be tripping the knock sensors, and it was something that had to be done anyways because it actually punched a hole right through the primary. So it was definitely running like shit. But anyways, we got that welded up. Got a couple other exhaust leaks fixed as well. One of the other things that we had to do was the fuel pump. At least this is what we think is happening. We think that the fuel pump is drying out and it's on its way out. So before I would run this thing with a lot of ethanol, and that's probably not that great for the fuel pump. So we put in a little bit of Marble Mystery oil and it seems to have fixed it for now. But anyways, we got this thing buttoned up. We're about to put some vinyl on this thing so we can get our top speed back up. So we're gonna cover this whole section again with vinyl, and then we're gonna go get this thing in line and get it tacked in and see what it does. Should be good. Okay guys, so I got my phone with Brody. That's my buddy who always comes out with me. So shout out to you, man, for filming. We are filming on the GoPro right now. I actually couldn't find my GoPro mount, so I kind of got to use this phone mount that I usually use for the phone. I hope it holds it in there. This is pretty janky, man. I think that looks pretty good. You can see my hands, yeah. That'll be fine. Get this thing going here. But anyways, so yeah, car's running really good. I think I mentioned in the last clip, but yeah, the drive out here is like my test. And every single time it usually has issues or something is going on with this thing, but we got this thing pretty much dialed, so I'm pretty excited, boys. This thing might do something cool. We'll find out. Alright, boys.
So we've added Jose Gonzalez.
Alright, boys. I think we one more after this, and then we are up. I am so excited for this. Usually I'm so nervous. Got so many different things in this car. So much has changed. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I just couldn't make another video where I'm like speculating on stuff. I needed to know, and I think today we're gonna find out real quick. I don't have the GoPro set up, so I don't know what we're seeing here, or the GoPro mount rather. But we might make one pass and run a 13 and get kicked out of here, man, in which case I am okay with that. I didn't bring my helmet. A little bit of an omen. Hopefully we'll run something cool and get kicked out. I'm totally fine with that. This time I'm not gonna screw up and not gonna do a burnout before they tell me. I always forget and just go crazy. Left lane, our lucky left lane. This thing feels good. I always do a burnout right here before they tell me. Felt pretty good. Staged properly. I just gotta remember to shift early. Good shift. Good shift. Let's go, baby. Nice. Woo! Let's go. First one out the hole. Felt great. Woo! All that anxiety gone. Got the tire pressure warning, yeah. I got him down to about 25. I might actually go up in tire pressure and just wait until we start losing traction, because that can help with mile an hour.
One eternity later.
All right, boys. So we are in line. No one broke down, thank God. Car feels good. We are on, I have no idea how much ethanol is in this thing. It's a full tank of gas, and we put about 8 or 9 liters in, so we shall see, man. This thing is nice and cool, so that shouldn't be an issue now. Air is much colder now. No heat soak, so we shall see. Looks like left lane will have some fresh tires on.
Oh no, Mike! Oh no! He touched the side wall. We'll get our track officials out there.
Kidding me, dude?
What do you think of that, you guys? He was going for the burnout the whole way. Unbelievable.
Well, I guess we're waiting again.
One eternity later.
Yeah, you don't have to tell me twice. Pull me in, buddy. Look at. Good little burnout. All right, let me get on this foot brake here. This is gotta be perfect. I'm only getting one hit here. All right, buddy. Oh. Head to head. Not gonna be a PB. I blew the tires off this thing. Damn. But we were neck and neck. It was actually a good race. Pedal fast. Shit, guys, it's over. Fuck. Car felt so strong. I almost want to get this thing back in line, man. I wonder if I can get this thing back in line. Damn. Big dog. Not too much, man. I blew the tires off. I'm gonna try and sneak back in line and just ask. I'm gonna try and ask for forgiveness. Yeah, I want to see if I can just sneak it back in line. It ran so good. I built it up fucking hard, but it blew the tires off, man. That was neck and neck with that F-150. All right, boys, we snuck back in line. It's funny, I was just talking to this guy in a Corvette who did the exact same thing. We both blew the tires off, so we're both sneaking back in for another lick. This is like the last of the season, right? I really want to get a good one now. Let's see what this thing can do when it's cold. But you made a good point. The tires are super cold, so even though we saw some smoke on them, I gotta really just let it sit there for a sec. Get them nice and hot. We're good? We're all done?
Just back up
Okay.
and go behind him.
Okay.
Okay?
Appreciate you all.
Oh, we might be back.
Taking a look here, getting him off the track, making sure there's no other.
And all this is going home?
No.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, okay, I understand. Go behind the Corvette or the Camaro.
Yes, sir. Oh, shit. People off, but I really want another lick, man. Come on, give me one. Give me one, boys. We need one. I'm gonna let this burnout rip. that one's a bit better. These are race masters. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Smoked them. All right, boys, here we go. Oh, I red lit, dude. Woo, pulling on that Corvette. Damn. Damn, I red lit. First time I ever did that. Idiot. Oh, I'm a retard. Fuck! No! Oh, man. Again, car felt fucking so strong. Now we know what to do. We gotta let this thing cool all the way down. That's how we get power out of it. It needs to be cold. I'm gonna wrap the intake in gold tape. Ah, damn, dude, I fucked up. No! Oh, man. I pulled on that Camaro for like most of the race. He caught me at like 1,000 feet. Oh well. That's racing, boys. What an idiot, dude. Idiot. No. Well, dang. Well, dang. First red light ever. What an idiot. Well, you know what, boys? We got a lot of shit to do. Honestly, the car ran pretty good. Honestly, I gotta look back at. I wonder if I can get a time for the app. I wonder if you get anything from a red light. But anyways, that's gonna have to do it for this video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading. I've been busy. All right, I've been busy. Okay, give me a break. I've been busy. But yeah, we're gonna have lots of fun stuff. The car's running pretty solid. My whole thing about the timing was oh yes, this is the right way. The whole thing about the timing was really just a fix so that I could get this thing to spray nitrous reliably. So that will be the next chapter, boys. We're going forced induction, nitrous oxide. But that's gonna have to be another video, because that's a wrap, boys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.